Good morning, folks. The 1 year-ish anniversary of the car fire. And I walk outside this morning. Fire. We're smoked out from the fire up north of us in Oregon. See, normally I can see a mountain over there. And there's just a ghosty smoke outline of it. And it smells horrible. That car fire last year was actually kind of traumatizing, I guess. It gets my hackles up every time I smell the forest fire now. There's the hospital where they're still screening for measles. Measles. Anyway, awesome. It's supposed to be 110 today. Maybe the smoke will actually help us a couple degrees. Maybe it won't. Alright, thanks folks.